You're already on these exchanges. You already have crypto sitting there. But here's the thing. Most people use maybe 10% of what these platforms actually offer. And that other 90%, some of it is useless, but some of it is genuinely making people money right now. Today I'm going through 7 of those features across Binance, Bybit, OKX, and Bitget. I'll show you exactly where they are, what they do, whether they're actually worth your time. Let's get into it. Before we start, nothing here is financial advice. This is education only. Do your own research before putting money into anything. Alright, let's go. Starting with Binance and specifically this section right here, Binance Earn. Most people deposit crypto, maybe do a few trades and just leave the rest sitting there. And I get it, it's easy to forget about it. But that idle crypto is losing value to inflation every single day. Binance Earn exists to fix that. Over 300 assets, all sitting here waiting to be put to work. The easiest starting point is simple earn. I want to show you something. Look at these rates right now. USDT at 5.21%, USDC at 6%, and USD1 at 10%. All flexible, meaning you can pull your money out anytime you want. No lockup, no commitment. If you're holding stable coins and they're just sitting in your wallet, honestly, there is no good reason for that. This takes about 30 seconds to set up. Now this is where most people stop clicking. They see simple earn, they set it up, and they never come back to explore the rest. But advanced earn is where it gets more interesting, more useful if you're already planning to buy or sell anyway. Let me give you a real scenario. Say BTC is at $100,000 right now and you want to buy, but you think it might dip a little first, so you set a limit order at $95,000 and wait. Your money just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. Dual investment changes that dynamic. You set your target price, you lock in your USDT, and while you wait, you're earning yield. If BTC drops to your target, it buys automatically. If it doesn't drop, your money comes back with the yield on top. Either way, you walked away with something. That's the part most people miss. Moving over to Bybit now, their earn section looks similar on the surface. Flexible staking, basic products, but scroll down or look over here on the right side, you'll find advanced earn. That's where we're going. This one is called discount buy, and honestly it's one of my favorite features on any exchange right now. Same situation as before. You want to buy BTC at a lower price, you're waiting for a dip. Most people just sit on their USDT and wait, but with discount buy you set your target price, lock in your funds, and earn a yield the entire time you're waiting. If BTC hits your number, it buys. If it doesn't, you get your USDT back plus everything you earned while waiting. You're essentially getting paid to be patient, and in crypto, patience is actually one of the hardest things to maintain. So getting rewarded for it is pretty good idea. Now OKX, and I want to point out something they do differently from everyone else on this list. Look at how their earn page is sorted by APY, highest to lowest, right by default. So the best rates are immediately visible, no digging around, and look at what's sitting at the top. Atom at 80%, flexible, CHZ at 60%, Tone at 12%. Now I want to be clear here. These are altcoins. Higher yield comes with price risk on the underlying asset. So if you're just chasing the APY without understanding what you're holding, that's mistake. But if you already believe in Atom or Tone long term, parking them here instead of letting them sit idle is a straightforward decision. Last one, Bitget, and their earn page is actually one of the cleanest I've seen. USDT at 7%, USDC at 8%, both flexible. But the feature I want to highlight is this one, structured earn. Go to the protected tab, and I want to emphasize that word protected. It's not marketing language here. It actually means your principal is guaranteed regardless of what the market does. You're earning a higher APR than the flexible products, and you're not putting your deposit at risk. For anyone who wants better returns but doesn't want to spend their day watching charts, this is probably the most straightforward option on this entire list. So that's 5 features across 4 exchanges: simple earn, dual investment on Binance, discount buy on Bybit, altcoin staking on OKX, and structured earn protected on Bitget. All of these exist right now. Rates change, so I'll be putting out an update version of these every month. If you found this useful, subscribe, drop a comment below. Which one of these are you actually going to try? I'm curious. See you next time.